Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I know I haven't posted a video for a few weeks, but this is just a quick catch up on what's growing in my back garden. As you can see, the lawn needs a cut. I've been letting it grow because there's quite a few patches. As you can see there, I've got some seeds, so I'm going to be reseeding this. Next time I mow it, I'm going to give this a good rake over and put some compost down and then sow some new seeds. But just want to show you the planters that I've got here. These are dahlias that were grown from seed. As you can see, looking really nice. Down there some beautiful thistles, but I'm really pleased with this main one here. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the size of those flowers. These were plug plants, these. And look at the size of those. They should really be in a hanging basket, but I decided not to put any up this year. Yeah, around here, some really nice flowers. These are beautiful colours. This is a Cafe Olay dahlia. It's a tuber one. I'll be flowering soon as we come round. As you can see here, these are some plug plants that I potted on. And my two beautiful begonias here. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the size of those. One beautiful one there. The flowers are absolutely immense. You come round, these haven't been touched since last year. Only thing I've added to these, no compost, just planted 3 pelargoniums. And these beautiful trailing begonias here, these were left in from last year. All I did was water and feed them. Didn't change anything. As we come round, this is my beautiful Cafe Olay. The first one flower, a good 5 or 6 inches across there. And as we come round, my beautiful border, all this has been grown from seed or tubers. I am so pleased with these. Look at this lupin here. That is definitely a keeper, that one, for next year. And I noticed this one when I was walking today. This one is a little bit darker, but that has been chewed away with slug pellets. I mean slugs, so I've had to put some pellets down, unfortunately. I have beautiful dwarf dahlia there. As we come down, my beautiful pensimons that will grow from seed. I love the colour of those bells, really nice. And then as we come round, beautiful cosmos, some taller dahlias here. These cosmos need deadheading, but they're looking really nice. They smell divine, smell really nice. Some poppies here that were self-seeded. These echinaceas, I cannot wait for next year for these, because I'm going to split and divide these. So I've got a few more, but that one, the beautiful purple one here, and those yellow dahlias at the back there, they should have really been at the front. We're growing everything from seed. I got everything a little bit mixed up. Everything should have been back to front, really. But yeah, look at that. There's a little white fleck there. Pretty gorgeous. And at the back there, don't know if you can just see that. Hydrangea. They were from cuttings from last year, which I'm really pleased with the results there. As we come round here to the bottom border, and my climbers there, pampas grass in the corner. Everything is just about gone over here. Just a little flower there, my clematis, beautiful. We come down here, as you can see, hydrangea in the corner there. These are my Japanese anemones. These were from a cutting, well, not a cutting, but I dug some up and divided them. One of my neighbours, and that's about it. Just have a quick spin round, if you can see. Beautiful border there. Cafe Olay. And yeah, so yeah, that's about it. If you've got any questions on anything I'm growing, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. And if you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you, everybody. Bye.